Microsoft has just rolled out two brand new Windows 11 Insider builds, one for the dev channel, 25H2, build 26220.6760, and one for the beta channel, 24H2, build 261.26760. Both updates share the same changelog, but they're designed for different versions of Windows 11. And while at first glance these updates might look like minor tweaks, they actually bring a host of meaningful improvements, brand new features, bug fixes, and AI-powered enhancements that could change the way you use your PC. In this deep dive, we'll explore what's new in these preview builds, how Microsoft is pushing AI deeper into Windows improvements to File Explorer, search, taskbar, and voice access key bug fixes that improve stability, and the known issues you should watch out for. So, whether you're a Windows insider, a PC enthusiast, or just curious about what's next, buckle up. This is a big update worth paying attention to. Built-in network, speed test, a game changer for connectivity. One of the most practical and exciting new features is the built-in network speed test that's directly accessible from the taskbar. In the past, if you wanted to check your internet speed, you had to open a browser, search for a speed test website, or download a third-party app. Now Microsoft is making it effortless. Here's how it works. Open quick settings from the Wi-Fi or cellular icon, or simply right-click the network icon in the system tray. From there, launch the speed test. It opens instantly in your default browser. It supports Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and cellular connections, so no matter how you're connected, you can quickly test performance. This isn't just about convenience. It's a real troubleshooting tool. If your video calls keep dropping, if your online games are lagging, or if Netflix won't stream in HD, you can immediately see whether the issue is your internet provider, your router, or your PC itself. For remote workers, students, and gamers, this built-in feature could replace third-party tools entirely. Microsoft 365 Copilot, AI at the center of productivity. Microsoft continues to push AI integration in Windows, and this update expands that with a dedicated Microsoft 365 Copilot page inside the Get Started app for commercial devices. If your PC is managed with an active Microsoft 365 subscription, this page introduces you to Copilot right from the start. It provides quick access to AI-powered writing tools in Word data analysis and Excel presentation design in PowerPoint, email summarization in Outlook. Instead of exploring features on your own, Copilot gives you guided tips and shortcuts, ensuring you get the most out of your subscription. This isn't just a nice-to-have. It's part of Microsoft's broader strategy, making AI the core of Windows 11 smarter Windows. Search next up. Microsoft is rolling out Windows search improvements for Copilot Plus PCs. If you're running one of these newer machines, you'll notice the File Explorer search box placeholder text has been updated to raise awareness of the improved search experience. This might sound small, but it highlights a much bigger trend. Microsoft is reworking search to be more context-aware, AI-driven, and faster. Think about it. Search has always been one of the most underwhelming parts of Windows. With these updates, Microsoft is making it smarter, more reliable, and more integrated with both local files and the cloud File Explorer. More powerful and consistent File Explorer has been getting constant attention in Windows 11, and these builds add more improvements. New APIs for cloud providers mean services like OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox can integrate more deeply with File Explorer Home. This creates a smoother workflow for users who rely heavily on the cloud. A long-standing annoyance has been fixed. Custom folder views now stick across apps. For example, if you sort files by name in Downloads, that setting will remain even if you access Downloads through another app like Chrome or Edge. This consistency may sound simple, but for power users, it's a huge quality of life improvement. Accessibility and voice access. More flexibility, accessibility is a major focus, and the latest builds bring a new setting in voice access called Wait Time Before Acting. This lets you choose a delay before a voice command is executed. Why does that matter? Because people speak at different speeds. Some speak slowly and carefully, while others speak quickly. With this feature, Windows 11 adapts to your unique speech pattern, reducing errors and making voice access more inclusive. Additionally, Microsoft has fixed a bug where some screen readers couldn't read content after recent builds, restoring functionality for visually impaired users. Emoji, UI, and visual changes. Microsoft has temporarily disabled Emoji 16.0 support, but confirmed it will return in a future release. On the UI side, Microsoft paused taskbar preview animations because they were causing issues with window sharing features. And yes, the taskbar auto-hide bug, where the system tray randomly peeked up, is still being worked on. Key fixes across Windows 11 beyond new features. These builds also deliver some critical bug fixes. Battery icon now accurate. No more mismatched charging states. Media controls restored. They now appear correctly on the lock screen. Settings app crash fixed. No more crashes when checking drive info. Improved file sharing. Connecting to shared folders via older SMB protocols is more reliable. Xbox controller bug fixed. Connecting via Bluetooth no longer causes system crashes. Video playback issues resolved. Blu-ray, DVD, and streaming apps using HDCP now work properly. These fixes directly improve stability and usability, which is always a top request from insiders. Known issues you should watch out for, of course. Insider builds always come with a list of issues Microsoft is still ironing out. Here are some of the biggest ones. Click to do may appear on the wrong display when using gestures. Taskbar auto-hide bugs remain unresolved. Some search results may display unexpected or broken text. Windows Studio effects may fail with certain external webcams. A small group of users still report Xbox controller crashes, though Microsoft has provided a manual workaround. Microsoft is actively working on fixes, but it's important to know these issues before updating. Why these builds matter. So, what do these updates really mean for everyday users? More built-in tools, less reliance on third-party apps like speed testers. Deeper AI integration. Microsoft 365 Copilot becomes easier to use, reflecting Microsoft's AI-first strategy. Stability improvements. Fixes for crashes, playback issues, and bugs make Windows smoother. Accessibility focus. Features like customizable voice command delays make Windows more inclusive, even if you don't notice every small change. These builds show Microsoft's commitment to evolving Windows 11 step by step. Final thoughts. The Windows 11, 25H2, and 24H2 Insider Preview builds may not look revolutionary at first glance, but when you break down the updates, they reveal important progress toward a smarter, more reliable, and more connected Windows experience. From the built-in speed test to deeper Copilot integration, smarter search, file explorer fixes, and accessibility improvements, these builds lay the foundation for what Windows 11 will look like in the next year. And remember, these are just preview builds. As feedback rolls in from insiders, Microsoft will refine, polish, and expand these features before the official release. If you're on the dev or beta channel, this is a perfect time to test these updates, share your feedback, and help shape the future of Windows 11.